You know, I'll be honest. When I first got this 90-gallon tank, I really had no idea how much it was actually going to weigh once it was finished. You think, oh, it's just a tank. But then you start adding the dirt, the sand, and hundreds of pounds of water, and suddenly you're looking at your floorboards, wondering if they're going to hold up. Before we dive into the math, I'm curious what you think. Take a guess. How heavy is this 90-gallon setup? A. 600 pounds. B. 800 pounds. C. 1050 pounds. Or D. 1300 pounds. Pick your answer. Keep it in the back of your mind, and let's see if you're right by the end of the video. To figure this out, we have to start with the base. This tank is 48 inches wide and 18 inches deep. That gives us a footprint of 864 square inches. Now that number might sound like a bit of a trivia, but it's actually what drives every other calculation we're about to do. Everything, the dirt, the sand, the water, it's all sitting on that one rectangular space. We have used the fatherfish method. This isn't just about a glass box with water. We're building a biological engine here. First, the soil. I laid down 1 inch of topsoil. That's about half a cubic foot of dirt. Most people don't realize how heavy dirt actually is. That thin 1 inch layer adds about 40 pounds right off the bat. Next, the sand. We cap the soil with 2 inches of sand to keep everything clean. That's about a full cubic foot of aquarium sand. Sand is denser than soil, so that layer alone adds another 90 pounds. So before we have even added a single drop of water, we have already put 130 pounds on that stand. Now, here is where things get serious. The tank is 24 inches tall, but because we have 3 inches of substrate, we're filling only about 21 inches of water. That works out to roughly 78.5 gallons. Now remember, water is heavy. It weighs about 8.34 pounds per gallon. So when you do the math, the water alone is adding 655 pounds. That's the weight of a large motorcycle just in water. Of course, it wouldn't be a fantastic Fins tank without some character. I added some driftwood and a few rocks, what we call the hardscape. I kept it fairly light, about 25 pounds worth of decor. Then there is the equipment. The glass tank itself is a beast, about 160 pounds empty. Add a solid stand that can support all this, another 80 pounds, and that's 240 pounds just in hardware. So let's add it all up. We have got the soil and sand, that massive 655 pounds of water, our rocks and wood, and the tank and stand. The grand total? 1,050 pounds. If you guessed C, you were spot on. That's over half a ton sitting in your living room. Seeing that number, over 1,000 pounds, really changed how I think about where I put my tanks. If you are setting up something this size, Try to position it perpendicular to the floor joists, not parallel. And if you can, keep it near a load-bearing wall. A little bit of planning goes a long way towards sleeping better at night, knowing your tank and your floor are safe. And just so you have a quick reference for your own fish room, here is a breakdown of what other common tank sizes actually weigh once they're full. As you can see, even a standard 20-gallon tank is over 200 pounds. So no matter the size, always make sure your stand is up to the task. Feel free to screenshot this for your next project. I'll see you on the next one at Fantastic Fits.